Okay, here we go. I'm in StreamYard today or tonight because Restream has some really weird restriction that you can't develop an event unless it's been like it has to be like an hour and so many hours or something ahead of time. So I just switched over to StreamYard. So I'm back with StreamYard for a minute to test this thing out. I see you, JMJ. Check, mic check 1, 2. Okay, let me see if I can do this. I do miss this. One thing about StreamYard, I miss the banner right there because I was able to put my LinkedIn stuff and my Cash App and my IG. Like you put a whole row of just everything in that little banner and it goes completely. Restream does not do that. It's kind of weird, but it's fun. Like it's got stuff going and it's nice to visually look at and everything. So, but yeah, StreamYard is cool with this. Okay, let me test this out because I did figure it out and then I checked with Miss Full Roller to make sure. And she told me the process and I was like, yep, this is what I did. So let me try this myself. I wonder if I can do this. Okay, hey Edward, welcome in. You guys are so supportive. Okay, let me test this out and make sure the volume is down. Yeah, I get what she was saying. The ads are on. I should watch my own ad, but I'm just gonna skip it so I can get to the point. I want to know what this thing works. Let me see. Gosh, what is my password? Oh, it's on. Okay. I thought I was gonna have to send myself a super chat. So it is on. I did it, guys. Hey. I figured it out. So it's basically it's weird. The monetization part was like its own thing. So that was for the ads. And then there's another process for the chats. And then I'm guessing there's another section for the membership or something. So anyone joining, this is a follow-up discussion from my earlier video where one of the other YouTubers, Miss Full Roller, shared with me that I needed to fix something with Super Chat. So I was like, let me test it out. Let me just test it out while I'm thinking about it, because tomorrow I am not planning on doing much on YouTube unless I'm supporting other people. That's the only thing I'm planning on doing tomorrow, because I need a break. So, thank you, Edward. Thank you so much. And you have officially tested it out. It is working. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you for sharing my video earlier as well. You were so supportive, of course. So I don't think I'm gonna do memberships. I don't know. I would have to wrap my head around that. I would want to make sure I'm offering a ton of stuff that's super useful. I have a lot of things I want to offer. I've been like trying to build a couple of things to help job seekers, but I had just envisioned putting them on my website for free, and then letting people download it. But I couldn't figure out making the downloadable thing, like someone click and download. So anyway, I don't know if I'll do memberships. I don't know if I'll do merch. I don't know about any of that. Maybe later in the year or something. But for now, I'm just happy that I will get some reimbursement from the content I already have. Like I looked up and I saw that I had, I'm replaying myself. Let me take down YouTube. Oh wait, no, I need YouTube. I need to go into YouTube. Guys, story of my life. Okay, I need to go into YouTube and let me see. Okay, so I was trying to look for how many videos I had. I'm pretty sure I have like over 200 or close to 200 videos or something like that. So I was like, well, I want to get something back for that if people are watching. So I'm super happy about it. You can see it on my face, but like I'm like saying, oh, I'm super happy about it. But I really am. Okay, like I have so many tabs open. Story of a recruiter's life. Recruiters always have a bunch of tabs open on their computer. Hey, Zero. Hey, hey. You missed the conversation earlier. I was talking about, so we were talking about people with disabilities and, what going back to normal means for them. And for some people, it may not be really good. So, anyway. Okay, cool. Well, that's all I wanted to do. Edward has completed the video, I think. So yeah, it is enabled. I'm happy about that. So we'll see what happens in the future. And thank you to Edward, who is my first Edward. Like, this is a big deal. You're my first super chat, and then you didn't say anything in the chat. You're my first super chat. Oh my gosh. No one will ever be able to replace that. You're my first super chat. So cool. I just think it's funny that it was like nothing, like just, but that's pretty cool. Thank you so much, Edward. And thank you. Yes, still hit the thumbs up button. Who knows? Someone may want to see me testing it out. But yeah, the process is when you go into the monetization section of YouTube, you have to set up so approval. Maybe I'll retitle this video and just talk about the process. So it took me like 5 days to be approved. And then, because Thursday midnight, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 5 days. And then as far as the steps, like you get the notification, then you go into the monetization section, and then you have these steps. So the first step you've already gotten, which is meet the criteria. Then the next one is to set up a Google AdSense, which I had, but it was like tied to another email. So I had to navigate that for a little bit. And then I got that done all on the same day. And then it automatically went to approval. And then I was just waiting pretty much over the weekend. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday. The Love Empire actually shared with me that you have to get rid of your private videos. I don't know if that's true or not, but she did share that with me. So I deleted some private videos and some pending videos. So that did help me. I assume that it helped me because I did that. And I was like in her live, just chit chatting with her. And I did that while I was in her live. And I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm going to bed. We'll see what happens. And next thing I know, I wake up and like at 6:30 a.m. in the morning, I had the notification in my email that I was approved. So I don't know, maybe that is it. So, but then when it comes to the super chats, it's like a different section. So it's monetization, supers, and then you have to submit some information. You have to submit your full name, you have to submit your email, and you have to submit if you work for a company. And I didn't work for a company, so I just put not applicable, NA, and then it was enabled automatically. So it's a pretty quick process. I just didn't realize it was separate. So anyway, that was it. Hey, Minister Terrence. Hey, how are you? Mr. Terrence, I am now officially a part of the YouTube community. So thank you so much for the support. Thank you everybody for support. Thank you anyone rewatching this video. I don't know why anyone would rewatch this one, just because I am testing out. It was literally to come back on here and see if this thing worked. But since I've been stirring my shirt all day, it is almost winding down. The day is almost over, but May the 4th be with you. Because you guys know I'm a Star Wars nerd. Just a little bit. I'm not like extremely nerdy into Star Wars, but I do enjoy watching the movies and I'm into everything. So yeah, I'm a Star Wars girl. I'm not a Trekkie. I just never gravitated as much to Star Trek. I watched the movies, but I just don't. I'm not into it. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Pandy. Yay, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm super happy. I'm so happy and just thankful for everybody's support. And yeah, I don't know. I was kind of losing hope there for a minute, but everyone's been so supportive. And so thank you so much, Pandy. You've been super motivating, just seeing your content as well and just watching my videos and everything. And so I appreciate it. I know you're always super busy, but I so appreciate you. So I'm happy to keep making content and reap some of the benefits of the content finally. But yeah, so hopefully everyone is doing well. Gotta get your join button. See, I have I'm slowly learning. I went live earlier, Minister Terrence, and Miss Full Roller was the one that told me, hey, you don't have your super chats. It's like, you need to turn on your super chats. I'm like, oh, yeah, I need to do that. So I was just figuring out turn on the monetization for every video. I didn't realize you had to do it for every single video. I just imagined there was this button and then you just hit monetization. That would make more sense, right? But I thought you just hit a button, bada bing, bada bam, and done. But no, it's you got to go through all these steps and monetize every video. So I'll definitely mentally make that note of when I schedule a video, if I come on here kind of randomly, to make sure I go in and I hit that note. So oh, thank you, Minister Terrence. Oh, thank you so much. You're so kind. I appreciate you. And thank you for your support. Of course, everyone in the chat, whether you're sending me a super chat or not, I appreciate all of your support, because either way, you're looking at me, you've been supportive, you've been here, you've been watching videos and all of that. So appreciate it so much. But yeah, it was, I literally imagined something, a whole easier process. I was just like, yeah, magical button, pum, and everything turns on and it's great. But no, I guess there's a process for the ads, the super chats, the member or the join button with the memberships. And with the membership, I'm just I have no idea what I would do. I would definitely want to make sure it's something very customized for anyone joining the membership. So I definitely have to do some thinking. So don't expect me to have a join button tomorrow. It's not going to happen. I've got to really think through that. And then with merchandise, I see Pandy has a lot of great merchandise on her channel. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. We'll see. We will see. And thank you. Edward said you're off to a good start. Oh yeah. Yeah. Thank you guys. Yeah. Everyone's been supportive. So that's amazing. And let me see. Oh, thank you, Pandy. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sometimes it's hard to compare. I will look at some of the bigger, channels in my space and wonder oh, when am I going to grow a little bigger? But, all in due time. I have a pretty, I think, custom group that I target, so yeah, but this is a great step. I love it. JMJ said, don't slap me. Stormtroopers never look so good. Virtual slap. Well, thank you. Appreciate that. Yes, showed a little bit of the girls, but I was really trying to show, a gang. Darth Vader is what I was trying to show there. Handy's saying hi to everybody. Short Bus. Hey, Short Bus. Welcome. Nice to see you. Hello. Hope everyone's having a good night. Short Bus is the one having me laughing half the time. Murad, thank you. Hey, welcome in. Welcome. Yes, it all will come. Thank you, Minister Terrence. I appreciate it. I really appreciate that. Sometimes you just need a word of encouragement. So I love that. Thank you. let me see, JMJ saying, hello to everybody. I remember thinking it would automatically turn on the stuff they don't tell us. Yeah, I was like if Miss Four Roller hadn't have told me, I probably would have went this whole week just been like, oh, I'll figure that out over the weekend or next week or sometime. And yeah, I was just like, oh yeah, I didn't even really think about it. I just automatically thought like, oh, this should be working. I did all the monetization buttons. I clicked all the videos. I'm good to go. So, but yeah, they don't tell you these things. I don't know why. I don't know if it's like some big secret or what. There's a few videos that talked about like how do you get the super chat. So yeah, you have to literally go to your monetization, go to supers, which I wouldn't have, I don't know. I guess I wouldn't have thought to look at supers, but you go to supers and then you actually have to fill out this information. Very easy process. It wasn't like I had to do this drawn out thing. It's just your name, full name, your email, and if you're a company or not. So that was it. It's just like if I had known. So thankfully, Miss Roller was in there. I was like, hey, you need to do this and that. Everyone's saying hello to each other. Well, cool. So appreciate it, everybody. I said this earlier, I will be live on Thursday. Tomorrow, I'm not planning on going live unless I'm sparked by, I don't know, something sparks my attention and I got to talk about it that day. But yeah, if I'm on YouTube, I'm probably just going to be watching other people's videos. And but Thursday, I'm going to be having the conversation about, my thing with the robots. I got to keep talking about the robots and the artificial intelligence. So we will be talking about that on Thursday. And I think Friday, I'm not doing too much. And over the weekend, you guys know it's Mother's Day weekend. So I'm going to be a little low key. I'm planning on editing some videos tomorrow as well. So I should have some videos trickling that following week too. I might come on live a little bit then. I think I have some content that I have scheduled. So like in my calendar, I have scheduled that I need to talk about because I've gotten some requests and I'm just like, I don't know. I'm just like, I'm getting to it. I promise. I will make the video. I will make the video. And Murad, I'm doing well. Super excited for the next steps with the channel and everything. But yeah, I don't know. It's just nice to feel official and recognized. So it's pretty cool. And it's interesting that, you know what? The people on YouTube have been super supportive. Like everyone I have met on YouTube, everyone in this chat has been so supportive. And like I think about like my friends and family. Like I've seen a friend from college join me and another friend that I've talked to way beyond college. Like she's close. They've joined me. She was, supportive when I first started. But like generally family and friends, like you guys have been there. You guys have been there. So I appreciate every single one of you. And yeah, just look forward to making more and more content. Dave is saying, oh, let me come back to you, Dave. Let me come back. Brown girl Bella. I'm trying to say it like you. Brown girl Bella. Bella. So Shannon, you've been super supportive. Thank you so much. Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate you so much. So motivating. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I feel like I didn't mean to turn this into like what is this, the Grammys? Where everybody's like giving this long speech and all this stuff. But yeah, thank you. I really appreciate you. Thank you for stopping in and saying hello and leaving me a super chat and just being so supportive through all of this. So it's like I haven't met any of you face to face, but you've been extremely just supportive on YouTube and even on like Instagram and other areas too. See, this is one where this is one of the requests. When are you going to do the video on Asians earning more than white and Black people on average? It's coming. It's in the list. You will see it in the next couple of weeks. So it may not, I don't think it will be titled how you're listing in the question, but we're going to talk about it. because that is on brand. Like I do talk about different groups and earnings and stuff. So Dave, that's a good topic and it will be coming up. So thank you. See you Thursday. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I missed your first comment. Okay. I'm doing well, Brown Girl Bella. I don't know if I half the time I don't know if I should call you Shannon or if I should call you Bella. I'm so used to calling you Bella though. Gee, I'm going to have to open up the safe. Oh my gosh, you're funny, Edward. You're gonna have to open up the safe. Girl, we have known each other for 10 years via this YouTube life. Oh my gosh, like seriously, it feels like so much time. Like it's just so much time between the editing, watching other folks' videos, make sure you're supporting all your friends, being on live chats, making the regular content videos. It is a lot. It's a lot. So it feels like, it's just like, gosh, how long have I been doing this? But it's cool. Like I'm just happy that, the work is being recognized, right? So that's a good thing. And I have to remember, like, the reason why I started the channel was to help people, was to give advice, give job seeker advice and tips and information, and it's kind of transformed into me. So I'm glad I named it after me, but instead of like job tips weekly or anything like that. But yeah, it's turned into this conversation style, like let's talk about different workplace topics and social trends and economics and all these different things. So who knows where the channel may take me, I guess, what kind of content I create. Yeah, I've actually gotten a request from our King of Kill, which I see is in the chat, for a yoga video. And I actually have a thought on how to do that and make it relatable. So that will be coming up too. So I'm super excited. I'm nervous and a little afraid of doing that type of video, just because you will, like, it's something about like just being able to see like this. And earlier, if you saw my shirt, you saw a little bit more, but there's something about, like, at least on YouTube, because I take pictures on Instagram and Facebook and stuff, but you just see kind of my face. You see my face, and that's what you see. But like a full body and like having to like do that on camera is a little scary. A little scary, especially doing yoga poses. So, but yeah, it's coming up. So. Oh, thank you, King of Kill. Thank you for the super sticker. Oh, thank you. Thanks for the $10 super chat. That's very kind of you. And I appreciate everybody in here. Zero said he's doing well, just not liking YouTube right now. Other than that, good. What's going on? I'm liking YouTube right now. Today. Just put that out there. These past 5 days, I've been like, what are they doing? Like, what? They're not working over the weekend? Come on. Let's get this going. Because I literally thought like it was going to be an instant, like, okay, you get the approval and then like click. And then like I literally thought, to Pandy's point, like it was kind of like magic. It was just like going to be like, bam, like, okay, hit a button. And boom, everything happens. Everything is beautiful. But no, of course not. Of course not. Like, it wasn't easy to get to the monetization. So of course that part's not going to be easy. Why would we think that? When is anything ever easy? Of course not. So, JMJ, even the eyes. Brian Bell says you can do it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. And I can call you whenever. Thank you. Because yeah, I don't know, like some of the feedback you get on YouTube, like most people are super duper supportive, but then there's the occasional like, can you just not? Or like the thumbs down that are like, okay, you literally came to the video and wanted to thumbs down my video, but it's cool. It's fine. But anyway, I did not plan on being on here long. I just wanted to test this out and make sure that what I did actually worked. I want to make sure it actually works. So let me make sure I didn't miss anyone's comment though, because you guys know I am terrible at that sometimes, especially, let me see. Okay, you guys are saying hi to each other. But Zero, hopefully everything's okay. Hopefully things are going okay with you. You guys know most of us, I think, are connected on Instagram and other platforms. So, reach out to people. Sometimes you just gotta get it out, I talked about the Amazon Prime movie. People gotta get it out. Let me see. Okay, cool. Thank you. Nice animation. You know what's interesting? I don't see the animation. Let me see. Oh, okay. So I actually have to go to that's interesting. On StreamYard, there's something else I didn't realize. StreamYard, it just shows super sticker. On YouTube, you actually get to see the animation. That's cute. Looks like a little lemon head kid. That's cute. Thank you. Thank you, King of Kill. I'm so glad I got to see that because I was like, I don't see the animation. It literally just shows super chat sticker. So unless there's something else I'm supposed to do with that. Oh, thank you. You've been subscribed to me for a long time. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate you supporting, and I've seen you here. So thank you so much. I don't say your name, I don't think, because I think I'm gonna mess up your name. I'm really bad with names sometimes. So I normally will ask people, okay, how do you pronounce your name? Like even today, what was this girl's name? It was something that seemed pretty straightforward, but I asked her just in case. I was like, let me just make sure because you just never know how someone's name is pronounced. So I would say your name is Bacare or Bocare, but I'm sure I'm completely messing that up. So sorry in advance if I am. Hello, Edward, everyone. Gal, and make sure everyone's connected. Hopefully you guys are connected with each other. Haha, it's okay. You said it right the first. Okay, so wait, how did I pronounce it? Bacare? Bacare? Did I get it right? Oh, the second way is more accurate. Bocare? See, I'm on here trying. You're probably laughing at me. You're probably like, this girl. Bocare. Okay, well, nice to see you here. Thank you for supporting. I appreciate it. As always, like this doesn't change anything. I'm still going to be coming with pretty much the same. Don't expect any super frills or anything unless I see some income. I'm definitely going to put it into the channel. I don't really know what I would do, but probably the first thing is going to get a package from StreamYard or Restream if I feel like I need it. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, hey, Swarthy. I still call you Swarthy because even though you did the name change. Hello, thank you for coming in. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you for your support. I appreciate you so much. Swarthy, I am really appreciative of you, and I appreciate you being patient with me because of my lack of messaging on Twitter. Swarthy would message me and I'll be doing a video. I think a lot of people have done this for me before, sent me a video and been like, hey, this is happening or whatever. And then I see it after. In Swarthy's case, I see it days after. And I'm like, oh, sorry, I don't check this often. So, but yeah, nice to see you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your support. I appreciate it. Appreciate all of you being here. You're laughing with me. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I probably completely messed up your name. I'm so sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm looking forward to it. I definitely think there is going to be a means for me to be even more creative, I hope. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, well, oh, I can still call you Swarthy. Okay, perfect. Because yeah, great. Because yeah, I like Simplistically Digital. I like that name because it's very catered to your content. I love because you're in the tech space. But for me saying it, no. Like I'm thinking because I already know you as Swarthy, so I'm like, no, I have to say Swarthy. Saying hi to the chat. Thank you, thank you. Okay, well, then I'm gonna close things out. I did not plan on staying on here too long. Let me just check something. Oh yeah, it's almost 10 o'clock. It's almost 10 o'clock where I am. So I'm gonna get off of here and let you guys go. But appreciate everyone. Let me just say my supporters, JMJ, Edward, Zero, The Infinite, and Minister Terrence came in here. Pandy came in here. Minister Terrence, Pandy, Edward. Edward was my first super chat. Just putting that out there. Edward was the first super chat ever. And then Pandy, Minister Terrence, and Brown Girl Bella, King Akil, and Simplistically Digital are my first super chats of the night, like my first like live with the super chat function. So you guys are my first crowd. Yay. So anyway, I appreciate it. I'm just being silly now because honestly, I'm tired, but I actually have to do a workout before bed. So sad times, really sad times. Anyway, I need to get this workout in because you guys know I've been going back and forth with my eating. It's not been good. Some days it's good, some days it's not that great. How you can be plant-based and be a little bit unhealthy, it is possible. So, so have a good night, everybody. Thank you guys so much again. And yeah, we'll be back on here on Thursday, but then I'll probably see some of you. I'm sure I'll see Bella tomorrow. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. And again, thank you guys for all the support, financial, emotional, mental, physical, everything, just everything, because it's been physically draining and everything else. So I appreciate all of it. And with that, that's the video, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye.